What up guys, how you guys doing? I'm Talis and we're back with another how to slice. In today's how to slice video, we're going to be checking out some awesome Christmas tree gimmicks. So let's go to the video. So this is the dragon ornament and let's go to the print settings. Over here in layer height, we're going to be printing this model at 0.16 millimeters. By reducing this value, we're going to have more layers to print. It's going to take more time to print, but we're going to have a finer and better quality. So I do recommend reducing this value. Going over to vertical shelves, we're going to be printing this model at 3. So 3 perimeters. This way we're going to have a really rigid model so it does not break if it falls off the tree. Going over here to fill density, we're going to be printing this model at 10% just so we can get a really dense model. And over here on fill pattern, we're going to be printing this at gyroid. Gyroid's a really nice infill pattern because it prints in waves, so your printer never goes on a straight line while printing the infill. This reduces the chance of your print failing while printing the infill. Going over here to skirt and brim, this model does not need any brim because it's got a good surface area of contact the build plate. If you have some bad adhesion issues, I do recommend always cleaning your build plate. Actually, I do recommend for everyone. So always clean your build plate and with some isopropyl alcohol or detergent just to remove all of the dust and oils from your finger that are on the build plate. That impacts a lot the bad adhesion. So always clean your build plate and do not touch the top of the build plate. Going over here, so we're not going to be adding brim, and this model does not need any support either. So we do not need any support. And for speed, we can be printing this model at the standard print speed, so we do not need to reduce any of this value. So now we have changed the configurations. This is a quite an easy print. So let's just slice and take a look. So as you can see, we have slice and it's going to take 4 hours and 8 minutes to print. As you can see, if we go down the layers, you'll see that it's being printed at a 10% infill pattern. This looks quite nice. So grab a really nice filament that you have laying around and print this model. If you're going to print this in multicolor, in the multicolor printer, I do recommend printing more models in the same build plate, because if you print one model or 8 models, you're going to waste the exact same amount of filament. So print more models to reduce the filament percentage waste. So proportional waste actually. So grab a really nice filament and print this model. So the models are ready to print. Make sure to check out stlflix.com for more models like this one, and I'll see you in another one.
I hope you guys enjoy it. Those slicing videos are an initiative from STL Academy, which is the educational project from STLFlix. So if you guys want to learn more about 3D printing, you could check our description and look at STL Academy courses. And don't forget, see you guys at the next slicing.